Hello guys, what's up? Hope so you all are fine. So without wasting your and mine precious time, let's get started. Hello guys, in this video I am gonna tell you about the best money management apps, so if you don't want to miss some really useful apps, so make sure to watch the full video till the end, and all the apps download links are mentioned in the description box for your convenience. Welcome to Good Budget, your ultimate budgeting companion. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by managing your finances, you're in the right place. Good Budget is designed to simplify your budgeting experience. With our user-friendly app, you can easily track your income, set savings goals, and manage expenses, all in one spot. No more juggling spreadsheets or sticky notes. Let's talk about our unique envelope budgeting system. It's a tried-and-true method that helps you allocate your money wisely. You create virtual envelopes for different spending categories, like groceries, entertainment, and bills, so you always know how much you have left to spend. And don't worry about being tied to your computer. Good Budget is available on your phone and tablet, allowing you to update your budget on the go. Whether you're out shopping or planning for future expenses, you can keep your finances in check anytime, anywhere. Plus, Good Budget is secure and private. Your data is encrypted, ensuring that your financial information stays safe. So, are you ready to take control of your finances? Download Good Budget today and start budgeting the smart way. With our app, you'll feel empowered to make informed financial decisions and reach your goals. Okay, let's move towards the second app of the list. ET Money, your go-to app for smart investing. Are you ready to grow your wealth with ease? With our mutual fund and SIP app, managing your investments has never been simpler. Whether you're just starting or looking to expand your portfolio, ET Money offers a range of mutual funds that suit your financial goals. Our user-friendly interface allows you to explore and compare options effortlessly. Imagine setting up a systematic investment plan, or SIP, that lets you invest a fixed amount regularly. It's a great way to build wealth over time without the stress of market timing. With ET Money, you get personalized recommendations based on your risk appetite and investment goals. Plus, our comprehensive insights help you make informed decisions so you can invest confidently. Stay on top of your investments with real-time tracking. You can easily monitor your portfolio's performance and adjust your strategy whenever you need to. And if you ever have questions, our expert support team is just a tap away, ready to assist you. App download link is given in the description box for your convenience. Okay, let's move towards the third app of the list. Budget Expense Tracker. Managing your finances shouldn't be complicated. With Wallet, you can effortlessly track your spending and stay on top of your budget, all from your smartphone. Imagine having all your expenses in one place. With our intuitive interface, logging your purchases takes just seconds. Whether you're grabbing coffee, paying bills, or shopping for groceries, Wallet makes it easy to categorize and monitor every dollar. Want to see where your money goes each month? Our detailed reports give you insights into your spending habits, helping you make smarter financial decisions. You can set budgets for different categories and get alerts when you're close to your limits. And here's the best part. You can sync your bank accounts for automatic tracking, so you'll always have an up-to-date view of your finances. No more guesswork. Worried about privacy? Wallet keeps your data secure, so you can track your expenses with peace of mind. App download link is given in the description box for your convenience. Okay, let's move towards the fourth app of the list. Zoho Expense, the smart way to manage your expense reports. Are you tired of juggling receipts and spreadsheets? With Zoho Expense, tracking your business expenses has never been easier. Our intuitive app allows you to capture and organize receipts on the go. Simply snap a photo, and Zoho Expense will extract the details for you, no more manual data entry. Need to create an expense report? With just a few clicks, you can compile all your expenses, categorize them, and generate a professional report ready for submission. Plus, our multi-currency support means you can manage expenses from anywhere in the world without any hassle. Track your spending, no matter the currency, and stay on top of your budget. Collaboration is a breeze too. Share your reports with your team or manager for quick approvals, and keep everything organized in one place. Worried about compliance? Zoho Expense helps you adhere to company policies, ensuring that your expenses are always aligned with your organization's guidelines. App download link is given in the description box for your convenience. Okay, let's move towards the fifth app of the list. In app, you need a budget, where taking control of your finances becomes simple and empowering. Are you ready to break free from living paycheck to paycheck? With YNAB, you'll learn how to make every dollar work for you. Our unique budgeting method helps you assign every dollar a job. Whether it's saving for a dream vacation or covering monthly bills, you'll always know where your money is going. With Inab's user-friendly app, you can track your expenses in real time. Simply log your spending on the go and watch your budget adjust instantly. No more guesswork. But it's not just about tracking. Inab teaches you to plan for the future. You'll learn to anticipate expenses and build a buffer so unexpected costs don't throw you off track. Want to gain insights into your spending habits? Inab provides detailed reports that help you identify trends and make smarter financial decisions. And with Inab's community and educational resources, you'll have the support you need to stay motivated and committed to your financial goals. App download link is given in the description box for your convenience.